Hey there, so I have a crap ton of Play-Doh, and so Julie's gonna help me and we're going to just sculpt things, and we'll see how this goes. I mean, some of it's not even open, like, wow. Still good though. So yeah, we're gonna see if they even harden nicely, but so much Play-Doh. Alright Julie, what are you gonna sculpt?
I have no clue yet.
I think I'm gonna try to sculpt Piggy.
Yes.
She's over there looking at me like, what? Heard my name.
What are you doing, peasant?
You can tell I haven't used this because it's dust.
I'm just gonna use this key to try to open this.
Is it seriously for
Because my my life's a struggle.
Probably should open all this before like anything else.
Finally to open! After I rode the struggle bus for a solid minute there. It's like, I'm not gonna work for you, I hate you.
Yeah, sorry, there's like dust on these.
That one's open already. It's red, of course. Favorite color. Was it in your room or in your
Yeah, it was just in my room.
Nice.
And I just haven't used it. So I was like, why not? At least make something out of it.
When my brother was in middle school, he sold those like foods and everything for fundraisers. They actually had like this cookie dough that was colored. It looked like Play-Doh.
That's awesome, dude.
I'm like, I wish places would still sell that. They'd make a lot of money. Almost done.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's not good nail. And my nails still didn't break.
Bro, I'm so jealous of your nails.
These nails are magic. I don't even do anything to them. All I do is cashier and clean underneath them. And
yeah,
they're magically strong.
And then there's mine. I literally do nothing, and then they just
they're just like magic.
Look at how beautiful! Oh my gosh. Manicurists are dying to get a hold of your nails.
They probably are. If they broke, I might cry.
Okay, Iggy colors. That looks close enough, right? Yellows,
yes.
whatever.
I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make a music note because I'm probably the world's biggest music geek.
I'm gonna get us butter knives, just so we can cut through it if we need to.
Oh, it fell over.
A plus, Michaela. That's your phone.
Oh wow. My phone will deal with itself.
That was mine at first, and I was like, what?
I always have fun with the most obnoxious vibrating thing to it.
It's okay. Why'd you get up, Iggy? She like flipped out when it started.
I was just gonna do it as a surprise, but I'm gonna have you pick out a case like that on Amazon, and I'm gonna get it for you. So I know how much you really like that case.
I love it. It's awesome.
Same. Everybody loves it.
So, we have finished our creations. It took me forever to do one. She did like 3. But it's because I'm a perfectionist, and I have my little Play-Doh Iggy right here. Zoom in on her at some point. And then Julie has a microphone.
A little microphone.
Yes.
A music note that's falling apart.
Iggy wants to chime in.
Yes, she does.
She's like, did you do an accurate representation?
Here's my music note.
Yes.
And then I'm trying to do Jack Skellington, but
It looks pretty good, I think.
I'm riding a struggle bus a little bit right here, but this is what I got so far. It's gonna fall right off. I'm gonna push it down. There we go. That's all I got so far.
Here's my Iggy. Made with so much love and effort. That's her microphone right here. Pretty snazzy. And then the music note. I applaud Julie, it's really good.
I'm gonna applaud myself because I can't.
Well, I can't because I'm holding the camera. Or I would, but yeah. Well, that's it for our sculpting. I had a fun time. I made a cute Iggy model. Yes, perfect. Perfect.
Music note.
Yes.
Hold it up right there, falling apart. See it? And my microphone.
That's awesome. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed us sculpting things. Yeah, I know it's interesting because we're just so creative, but okay. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for helping me.